Tired of chasing clients for reviews? Here's how to automate your entire feedback process in GoHighLevel so you never have to ask twice. Today, I'm showing you how to set up a simple GoHighLevel automation that sends review requests automatically after each completed service. By the end, you'll have a hands-free reputation management system that builds your business credibility while you sleep. Let's get started. So our first step we're going to do is we're going to open up GoHighLevel and navigate to the automations tab, and then we're going to click workflow, and we're going to create a new workflow from scratch. Now we're going to build this workflow automatically. We're going to enable the automatic save, and then from here we're going to set our trigger, and actually I'm going to change to the advanced builder. That's probably what you'll be used to. So we'll set the trigger. We will say though the pipeline stage has changed to the completion status. So we'll do this for the consultation pipeline. We'll add another filter and we'll say pipeline stage is service completed. We'll save that trigger. And so here it is in GoHighLevel. Now we're going to add a wait step into here. The reason we're going to add a wait step is so that clients have time to experience your service before asking for feedback. We want to give it a little bit of time. So from here, we're going to set this wait step for 1 day. We're going to choose the advanced window, and we're going to make sure this only goes out between Monday through Friday. You can always adjust this on your own as well. We'll click Save Action. This is where you'll be able to add an SMS or an email action and write your review request message. You can include a direct link to your Google My Business profile or review platform of choice. So I'll just do this as an example. So let's say we send an SMS and we can say, hello. We will add in their first name. We'll say, hello, first name. Thank you so much for using our services here at inFlow by the Alliance. We would love to hear your feedback on your service by making a Google review. You can do that clicking this link. And this is where you input the link to your Google My Business profile, and then you'll click Save Action. You could be doing that exactly for an email as well. You can use multiple SMS or email messages too. You could also include a conditional split using the if-else statement. You could say if you haven't received a message back in this workflow, to send another text message, just checking up to see, hey, did you have a chance to make the review? I just want to see if you're able to do that. So you could do that either with the if else, or we can do a wait. And for the wait for, we can do, let's see, we can do a condition. Actually, not here. Not the condition, please excuse me. Contact reply. And if reply to the SMS, and let's say inside of 3 days, and we'll rename this wait for reply. So what this is saying is that, hey, if we've gotten a reply from this SMS text inside of 3 days, then we won't do anything, right? We'll just end the workflow. But if it's been longer than 3 days, we can send another SMS. We could say, hi, again, first name, just checking in to see if you had a chance to leave a review on Google. If not, here is that link again. Thank you so much. And then you can click Save Action. And so we can publish this workflow and save it. And so that way we can see if this will actually fire off. So now let's test this workflow. We're going to add a specific contact into this workflow to see if it'll work. I'm also going to change this to Google My Business Review Request. We'll save that again. Now let's add a contact into this workflow to see if it will actually work for us. So I'm going to use our inFlow team contact to test this SMS review request action step. So we're going to go to actions. I'm going to click add, and I'm going to search for the workflow that we created together, which is this one. I'm going to click add, and we're going to see if the text message is able to come through. If it does, it'll show up in the start new conversation section that you see right here. So let's see if that worked. We'll give it 1 second. One thing I should add is when you're testing workflows that have a wait step, if you want to test to make sure that text will go out in just in general, you want to come to the workflow. If you see this little person down here, that's myself, and this is our test. And so it's saying that, hey, the wait step is working. The wait step means that the message wouldn't go through until November 19th, 12:32 p.m. because that's 3 days later from now. I'm going to actually push this through so we can see the text come through as well. So I'm going to select this individual person. I'm going to click this little person that's running, and this will move select the contacts currently in the step to the next step. So now I'm going to choose that. I will click move all. So it won't show just in this particular instance immediately, but we can refresh and we can see that a text did go out. So I'm going to refresh it right now and you'll see it. So as we see in the workflow, the person is now at the wait for reply stage because the text should have went out. We're going to go back to the list and we can see here that the text did go out saying, hello, the inFlow team. Thank you so much for using our services here at inFlow by the Alliance. We would love to hear your feedback on your service by making a Google review. You can do that clicking this link, which it had the information for the link. But of course, we didn't have a real link and that's why it didn't show up here. But as we see, this text did go out successfully and the workflow we created also went out successfully as well. Now, every time you close a deal or mark a job complete in GoHighLevel, your system automatically waits 1 day, then sends a friendly review request without you touching anything. If you added the follow-up step, the non-responders get a gentle reminder 3 days later, and your reputation grows on autopilot while you focus on delivering great service. This one automation can generate dozens of authentic reviews per month without any manual effort. Want to learn automations like this? Then join the inFlow community for career professionals who want to learn AI and automation for their side hustle. Link in bio and in the description. Remember to build systems that work while you do. Be inFlow. See you soon.